Good evening. This is the initial response for elements 6, 7, and 8 conducting direct instruction lessons. Elements 6, 7, 8 center around content, which includes the strategies that a teacher uses to help students reach depth of knowledge levels 1, 2, and 3. And these focus on knowledge and application through direct instruction lessons. This is content knowledge. These lessons may include direct instruction, practicing and deepening their knowledge, and then knowledge application. Marzano points out for us that direct instruction is important as knowledge of the content is vital to analysis and synthesis of information. And he points out that research has shown direct instruction stands above discovery learning many times over, as it is the solid content foundation that students need in order to move up. And that has been argued, I know even in my school a lot, that we need to differentiate everything and skip direct instruction. I've heard it for years. So it's nice to see this in writing because so many times students need that vital piece of information to move ahead. And we need to not skip knowledge-based learning. Element 6 is the chunking of the content. Teachers should give a pre-assessment, find out where their students are, and then plan to teach small bits of information, allow those students to process and reflect, see where they need to intervene to help students grow, or plan to move on. The desired effects with this content chunking is active engagement, student explanation of what they are learning, and content understanding. Element 7 is processing that content that's been chunked for them. This takes place after chunking has happened. Students process through activities that help them analyze the information, and then the teacher becomes a facilitator while the student interacts with the information. The processing strategies should take these to higher depths of knowledge as they think strategically using the information in unusual or new ways. They should be actively engaged, collaborating, making predictions, explaining, and clarifying questions should be asked at this time. Element 8 challenges the student to record and represent the content. Students take the content, create a representation of the information through encoding either linguistically or non-linguistically. The first step that teachers have to take is to identify what pieces of the content are the most important, the ones that the students have to know in order to continue on to learn other things, whether it's in this class or in their next level class. The direct instruction lessons can apply to all 3 levels in the proficiency scale, but continual revisions are needed to produce student achievement for all. Teachers that are teaching this same subject should collaborate together, plan units of instruction together, create those common proficiency scales and common formative assessments so that all the students in that area are receiving the same instruction with the same expectation of growth. Thank you.